Yes, I hope you all will be fine. In this video, we will see that how we can add the member in our Wix website. How we can assign the role to anyone to collaborate and to start working with you or to start work on your website. So when you will log in your Wix account, you will see your all websites here in the panel and select the one which you want to add. Let's suppose I select this one. Yes, when you will click on the website which you want to allow any person to start collaboration and to start work with you without sending the login information of your website account. So when you will select the site, you will see the left side menu here, and when you will scroll it down, you will see the option settings option and definitely option available and roles and permissions. Yes, here you can see the option role and permissions. And when you will click on it, it will navigate to the page where you will be able to see invite people at the top right. So I will not click this on this option in the live video because a lot of customers personal Google IDs or emails available on that page. So I will skip that page. And when you will click, definitely you will see the option invite people. And you just require to click on that option like invite people. And when you will click on invite people, it will ask for to add the Google ID. And when you will add your Google ID or email, and you also required to select the role from the bottom where actually I will do that practical. Let's see. Yes, here you can see when I clicked on invite people, it opened this page, and you can see here it it is asking for email and whatever email we will add here. And after that, here there are some roles we can assign the role admin, website manager, and other roles you can see here. So just type any email here and select the role which you want to assign to the person. And when you will select the role, and here you can see the option send invitation, and definitely it will ask for the purpose to sending this invitation, and you will be required to select a freelancer and website manager from there. And it is super easy, and without sending the login information to any developer, you can add the member in your dashboard by assigning different roles here you can see. So use this feature and enjoy it, and also subscribe our channel because this channel will provide you a lot of information related to technology and specifically Wix, because I will upload a lot of problem solving videos, a lot of guiding videos, as well as I also have added a lot of videos related to Wix. So let's see those if you have a time, if you want to learn about the Wix. Thank you.